Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to allow camera access on WhatsApp in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on WhatsApp app. Okay, tap on camera, then no access your camera. Okay, then back, click on settings, scroll down, tap on apps, scroll down, choose on WhatsApp, tap on this app. Okay, after that tap on camera option. This option is visible, just click, then enable. Okay, check WhatsApp app, tap on camera, then show your camera. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.